senang, di sana senang, di mana-mana hatiku senang. Di sini senang, di sana senang, di mana-mana hatiku senang. La 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 la
Can we do it again and with the recording pictures? Okay. Kakak boleh ada yang merekamin? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Di sini senang, di sana senang, di mana-mana hatiku senang. Only one. Hatiku senang. La 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 la
Can we proceed the opening ceremony? Okay, thank you very much. I hand over to Nauli. Big applause for Nauli. She's the most beautiful girl among me and her.
Thank you, Kario. Okay, before we start, I think for the first row, you have to move backward because thank you so much.
Just for the opening.
Yes, just for the opening ceremony. All right. Miss Ruby, I think you have to bring your bag also. Cordially invite you to be seated at the prescribed table in the meeting room. Thank you.
Yes.
My name.
So before we start the opening ceremony, Yogyakarta Province Scout Movement Sekar Mudia welcome you guys for this special event and distinguished guests. Please welcome our Scout girls, Ninja and Ajeng. Upon Kak Deden to lead us the prayer in this morning. Kak Deden, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me leading this prayer during using the Muslim way, and others can be follow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin hamdan syakirin.
You might take the floor.
Thank you. Looks like everybody is very serious. You know, when you start the program, the cultural presentation, everybody is looking at the presenter. But when you hear the speech, you get out of it already. Anyway, let me greet our colleagues who are here, starting from, I understand our princess was anytime during the period of the workshop. Her Royal Highness Gusti Kanjeng Ratu Mang Bumi, Amin Mayo, Hayuning Bawana Langing King Mataram. Very hard. It's very long. But as far as I know, Brother Lion told me that you call her here in Gerakan Pramuka as GKR Mang Kumbi or Kak Gusti Mang Kumbi. Your the former Chief Commissioner of Gerakan Pramuka, Indonesia, Dr. Kota Atul, who had served Gerakan Pramuka for 2 terms as Chief Commissioner. And it's just right and fitting that to recognize not only his contribution to the ASEAN sub-region, but also to the Asia-Pacific region. In fact, he has contributed a lot in the whole world, not only in terms of his scouting, but in other service, being a doctor and a volunteer. So Attorney Wendell will be joining us here until the end and provide us some insights also on how we will continue with this project. In fact, he himself is already a partner of Ticket to Life, which you will also have to learn during the course of our discussion. Let me greet Brother Berton, Brother Saul, Lion, Rio, Deden, and other officials who are here. I will not mention any more the names because, as I said, I will make my speech message very simple, very short. Although that's an excuse.
Send the greetings from our Chief Commissioner to all participants from the overseas, from Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, and Myanmar. Hope you will be happy in Yogyakarta in Indonesia. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Sir Bertot, for the enlightening remarks. Himna Satya Dharma Pramuka. I would like to request you all to stand in honor of Himna Satya Dharma Pramuka.
To present we are invitation from Kuartir Daerah Yogyakarta. Enjoy the workshop and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Kak Yola. So the next agenda is the photo session. I would like to invite everybody to go to the main meeting room to take a picture together. Kakak-kakak, kita akan foto bersama, dimohon untuk menempati tempat di depan.
Are affected by the problem, like because of war, so they become internally displaced. Financial reason, they become internationally, internally displaced. When it's inter, it's difficult. Problems on political or problems within the members of the family, broken families.
Ya, kajian lebih menjelaskan soal.
With $500.
Ya, bagi yang ya tadi mulai jadi anggota aja di 10.000, maka kajian mengajak kakak-kakak sekalian bila memiliki kelebihan untuk menjadi sponsor. Anda bisa menjadi sponsor kegiatan-kegiatan Asia Pacific Region dengan menyampaikan $500 sebagai anggota donor.
This one time, it's a yearly thing.
You can amortize it. If you want to give $50 now,
Okay.
you can give it, and then tomorrow we'll collect the another $50 to you. And then the next day we'll collect the another 50 until you reach 500. And if you have more money in your pocket, you can give 1,000, 5,000. Attorney Wendell is a gold member already. His membership is $5,000. Because he believes in the saying that if you really wanted to build the future of the country, you contribute to the young people. Because as it may be morbid to say, these young people will take charge once we are done already. So this is the time to build and help them. So if you want, you can start joining the APR Scout Foundation, because at the end of the day anyway, all of this funding agency, whatever contributions they give to the scouting, helps in the progression or the delivery of the scouting program.
Ya, I think I have already mentioned to them that about
No.
donation.
One more question.
Yes.
How much funding do you have for TTL? I mean, you have these 10 donors and all that, right? How much funding do you have for a year, for example, in terms of dollar, or it's based on...
We will
project?
discuss that later. There's a particular session for that. So this World Scout Foundation, as I said, has a Regal Circle member. And for us to continue this one, Hans and Doris Imholz, a Regal member of the World Scout Foundation, decided to adopt this Ticket to Life project starting last year or this year? RJ? Starting last year. That's why we are able to expand the project to different countries.
Adapt.
Grant for and Sobanga and implement the project. Okay? The project reporting will have a slight changes, and RJ and Lance will explain that to you. We will not anymore go into the tedious presentation of project presentation because we have simplified it. I know Sophie, Derek here, and who else have experienced that very long reporting. So from those experiences, we simplified it already. So please pay attention on that session of RJ and Lance and Sid, so that you will know how to upload the project in the Plaque system and to implement it. This is next year. Next year, since you know already the system, the NSO will directly apply this grant in the portal, because we will closely coordinate with the NSO. Then once everything is in order, we will transfer them.
Okay, you need to find out more about this. This is a major, this is a priority, top priority in World Scouting. Make sure the environment of Scouting is a safe environment. Okay? Thank you very much for paying attention on my session. After this, I want to make sure that when you are implementing, when you are doing the youth program, when you are engaged with the Scouts, you need to know that we need to make Scouting environment become the safe environment for everyone. Thank you very much. Salam Pramuka.
Salam.
So now I turn also become the organizer. Okay. So after this, there is a session, the virtual session from our government regarding about the situation of the vulnerable kids, regarding about the Ticket to Life. Okay. So we just take a break for a while. Meanwhile, the team will contact the ministry for this. Already? Okay. Thank you very much. Kadeden?
We need you to unmute yourself, Bu. Oh, mungkin dari kita ya. Sebentar Bu ya. Halo. Okay. Hello everybody. Operator kamera biar kelihatan kita semuanya kesini ya. Okay.
You should come here. Okay, so we will do the Bahasa or the Indonesian. Do you know? Come here, Ma'am Ruby. So the BSP team, where's my Derek? BSP team. Come here. Okay, we will see. You know that this is Senang. So okay, action. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Di sini senang, di sana senang, di mana-mana hatiku senang. Di sini senang, di sana senang, di mana-mana hatiku senang. La 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 la. One more. La 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 la.
Tagalog version.
Okay, kawan, we have the Tagalog version in the Philippines. So, 1, 2, 3, go! Dito ay masaya, doon ay masaya, tayong lahat ay masaya.
Dito ay masaya, doon ay masaya,
Tayong lahat ay masaya.
la 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 la.
Workshop on Ticket to Life Project dari 5 negara, Ibu. Dari Filipina, mana Filipina? Iya. Kemudian dari Thailand, from Thailand. Oke, dari Myanmar. Oke. And dari Malaysia. And dari Indonesia. Baik Ibu, nanti akan dipandu oleh nanti Ibu dapat menyampaikan paparannya. Nanti kami akan bantu dengan penerjemah untuk yang bahasa Inggrisnya. Kami persilahkan Ibu Femi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
Bapak dan Ibu yang saya hormati, di sini yang sudah hadir, saya sebut saja ya, Gusti Kanjeng Ratu Mangkubumi, Wakil Ketua Kuarnas atau Ketua Komisi Pengabdian Masyarakat, Mr. Berthold Sinaulan, Wakil Ketua Kuarnas atau Ketua Komisi Kehumasan dan Informatika, and then Mr. Jose Rizal Pangilinan, Regional Director World Scout Bureau, Asia Pacific Regional Plan Support Center, and then Mr. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Isidro Sid P. Castillo, Director Educational Method, WSB ARP Support Lens, Mr. Rio Ashadi, Chairman ARP Subcommittee Diversity and Inclusion, from Coordinating Ministry for Human Development and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia. In this afternoon, I will present my paper dengan judul, sorry, I am deliver my paper in bahasa Indonesia. I hope there is an interpreter so that you will understand of my paper.
Yes, Bu.
Judulnya adalah Peran serta Gerakan Pramuka dalam Pembinaan Anak yang Memerlukan Perlindungan Khusus.
This is the roles of Gerakan Pramuka, roles of Scouting in educational children, educational CEDC. Yes. Silakan Bu.
Ya, Indonesia memiliki presiden yang sangat memperhatikan pembangunan sumber daya manusia, khususnya tapi yang di layar kok ini ya belum bergerak ya. Apakah saya bisa share slide saya sendiri?
Boleh Bu, tolong dijadikan host aja.
Ini siapa ya yang nge-share?
Ini yang dari teman kami Bu.
Oke.
Yang share.
Oke, kalau gitu saya sangat besar, ya 270,2 juta jiwa, ya. Kemudian ini dibagi dalam beberapa kelompok. Yang paling besar adalah usia anak 84,4 juta jiwa. Kemudian yang usia pemuda tadi 16 sampai 30 tahun ini 64,50 juta jiwa. Jadi 1 dari 4 penduduk Indonesia adalah pemuda. Jadi jumlah pemuda kita luar biasa besarnya. Oleh karena itu kami Indonesia harus memastikan pemuda-pemuda Indonesia ini adalah pemuda yang sehat lahir batin, jasmani dan rohani.
About youth and child, the total of the population is 270 million, and on the child age is 81
The standing operation procedure, you are not supposed to work before 17. And of course, the rights to work, it should be done accordingly, taking care of the rights and everything. And the next is you can see the index perlindungan khusus anak. It's a special index to protect children. And then the proportion for women, perempuan, 20 to 24 years, who are married before 18 years. So our regulation is you are not supposed to marry while you are a child. And the next, the pemenuhan hak perlindungan and pemberdayaan perempuan. So these are all the target of this. The trend for the policy is, if you see the pemenuhan hak perlindungan and so on, it is they would try to fulfill or the fulfillment of the rights and then also the protection as well as to enhance the way the women, perempuan, it is regarding also your indication of the KTP. KTP is
identity.
No. Kekerasan. It is the way you treat women not accordingly to her rights. Okay, and then TPPO. Can you give me what is that? Anyway, tindak pidana. It has the connection with human trafficking, and then the last is penanganan, how you handle the migrant workers, and the last point from this all the indicators is peningkatan kualitas pemuda, is to enhance the quality of the youth. And you can see on the right side the indication of the target baseline 2020 and then 2024. All of these, for example, if you get the paper, I believe you will give the papers to all the people that have been here in this special event. Then you can see all these points. I cannot explain it one by one because it will take time. But anyway, you can see on the baseline 2020 and 2024. What are the points that they would like to get? Terima kasih, Ibu. Thank you. Balance of the enhancement of the human resources, and the next anak yang memerlukan is the child or the children itself who needs the protection. And of course in a difficult situation. Okay, thank you. Silakan, Ibu. I mean, the system in Indonesia, there is central government and then we have province. And this province, we have the policy of the subsystem. The subsystem is we are a big country, right? We have more than 17,000 islands. So we have to make all the systems regarding that. Now you can see this categorization for the numbers is pemerintah pusat, the central government as well as the province or the people or the government in not on the central, on the province, has as well as lembaga negara, other institution, has to berkewajiban, they has to follow or to do exactly and also bertanggung jawab. Yes. Next, Ibu, silakan.
Oke, baik. Jadi ini adalah anak-anak yang memerlukan perlindungan khusus apabila tidak dibantu. Tentu saja untuk fisiknya dia bisa kehilangan fungsi reproduksi, penyakit menular, luka berat, bahkan meninggal dunia.
Peraturan pemerintah, this government's regulation number 78 in the year of 2020 regarding special protection for children. And these are all the examples regarding the matters that ask to the children, for example, died and then, you know, they have a specific difficult condition, and then also penyakit menular, this is regarding the sickness that can separate disease separate easily, and then also the loss of the function for reproduction, and of course gangguan jiwa, it means you have the mental disorder and so on, and then kepercayaan diri yang rendah, it is the way you handle yourself, it's your esteem, your esteem matters is getting very low, and grow up and also develop and can participate in an optimal way according to the harkat and martabat kemanusiaan, according the rights being a human being in this country. The point of all of these things should be receiving a good life according for every children, according to the life of good person. And this kind of matter also the rights being having good life is also the rights of children who they have the good with special needs. So we also Indonesian government pay attention with the anak penyandang disabilitas, children who has the special needs. They have the same right to have a good life. Terima kasih Ibu. We are talking about the role of the participation of Gerakan Pramuka to help the children and have the fulfillment of all the rights. Now, this has the legal basis of the Gerakan Pramuka itself, saying that, then they quote our if I say our, it means Gerakan Pramuka. The law that we have, for example, that is the legal number 12 in the year 2020 regarding Gerakan Pramuka. And then there is also the law from the President of Republic of Indonesia, number so and so, number 238 in the year 61 about Gerakan Pramuka, and all these numbers that is showing that Gerakan Pramuka have the rights and have to help all children, especially children who needs special protection. Thank you, Ibu Dokter.
Mereka inilah sebetulnya yang kita harapkan menjadi role model ya bagi anak, remaja maupun pemuda ya dalam berkegiatan sosial, kegiatan yang terkait dengan pembinaan kepemudaan, dan kemudian juga tentunya mereka ini nanti akan menjadi pemimpin. Jadi anggota Pramuka Indonesia ini diharapkan betul-betul terlatih, dan kemudian nanti ketika akan mendapatkan estafet kepemimpinan, anggota Pramuka ini sudah siap karena mereka ini sudah terlatih, memiliki gotong royong yang tinggi, kemudian memiliki etos atau kerja keras yang tinggi, dan tentu saja mereka ini satu kata dan satu perbuatan, yaitu integritas.
Thank you, Ibu. So anyway, that is the example of the data of Gerakan Pramuka. Consider that we are having the most incredible. If you see the numbers, we are having the numbers of Pramuka, the biggest in the world. But you can see also before this the data of the ASEAN scouts and so on. And she believe in Gerakan Pramuka is a place or an institution that gives the priority to help not only the children but as well also the young people to help others.
Iya. Nah, jadi sebetulnya kami ini juga
now it is the data. Thank you, Ibu. You give us.
Bingung juga ini mendapatkan pramuka ya dalam rangka pembinaan memerlukan perlindungan khusus karena tadi sifat-sifatnya khusus tadi, dan tentu saja pramuka, gerakan pramuka yang ingin membina anak yang memerlukan perlindungan khusus tadi, ada 15 kondisi tadi 15 kriteria tadi tentunya juga harus punya kompetensi untuk membina.
Even for us, we are the TTL team of Palangkaraya and our project. We will share to you now. Okay.
Actually, and then finally we discuss and we choose the LPK program to be our project for TTL, and then we joined TTL project in 2021. And then category based on their age in the young people in this LPKA.
The song is tell about the time we are together. There is something different coming to SPA. We cannot do it alone, but when we do it together, everything will be fine. Sad and happy, we do it together.
Waktu kita bersama terjadi banyak cerita, tangis tawa bersama, penuh warna yang nyata, sebuah pertemanan tak bisa dibagi, segala yang berkesan tak tergantikan, hanya akan terjadi waktu kita bersama, tak ada perbedaan, buka apa adanya.
Our time together, a lot of stories are there, crying, coming together, full of dirty color.
The best friendship, it cannot be bought. Everything that's impressions, it cannot be replaced. It only can happen when we are together. There's no difference. It's open as what it is.
Okay, that's the song.
To explain, you just upload the pictures so that we can see. If there is something interesting, then we ask you. You don't even have to say that this is what happened, blah blah blah. Just upload the pictures so that we can see from the pictures. Because the pictures paints 1,000 words. No? So, but this one, as we are saying, this is the first time we are seeing the pictures, and it's already 1 year. Yeah. So please don't forget to do this. This is the reason why we are asking you to always upload, if you have activity, always upload the picture. Because that's a living proof, as JR has said, that is a living proof to our donors that something is happening on the ground. Yeah. Thank you.
Jayakarta joined TTL since 2013. It's been quite long time, and now there's our member become manager at the restaurant, and she will become a teacher for the elementary school, something like that. And I have the videos at my.
On the mind of and the hearts of these kids who lost their hope because they are the less fortunate kids, that there is still a big hope, and that hope will make them triumphant, victorious in their lives. Okay, so we were recognized by the Wisdom APR TTL project last September of 2021. That was last year, and currently, as of today, not today. Last week, before we come to Indonesia, we have already 81 scouts registered in the BSP. So it started with 32 lost, We start with 40 and now
Ada juga rombongan Indonesia. Poinnya adalah contohlah mereka dalam semangatnya dan tolong kalau ada pertanyaan jangan ragu ditanya. Clear, everybody? Indonesia, please.
Ya.
Ya, jelas ya?
Ya.
Jadi diambil pengalamannya. Makasih.
Ya, well done, Miss. Good.
Okay, so this is that's the example of how the troop leader of the Ticket to Life must be energetic. Yes, because during end of the troop meeting you are drained. So that's why we need energy. It's a very complete, specific example of characteristic being Ticket to Life troop leader. Okay, may I call on my another partner?
Next slide.
Okay, same picture.
Mr. Yogo. Okay, about truth, this truth.
Next.
It makes me more transparent and disciplined, and also learn how to manage time in study, work, and daily life.
By joining the project, I have learned about entrepreneurship and how to develop a skill for self and working with others.
I have gained the knowledge and skill to teach others and teach people who want to know about practice and handcrafts. They can make a career and make more money in the future. After joining the project, I have learned about entrepreneurship and
You, especially the existing troops, has already written on the forms. If you have confusions, if you cannot understand, you forget what we teach you, put it questions, okay? And during my sessions, I will try to answer all your questions. Sardi already mentioned that we will have somewhat a different kind of reporting system. Then, I hope that your questions will be on the what to write, what to something. We are not going to do a different form or anything, it will be the same, but the reporting cycle will be a bit different. Okay? So you can post your questions well ahead of my session on the third and last day on that Google form.
Thank you. Sid?
Yeah, just to reiterate what please ask questions. Please do not hesitate to ask questions because we are here to clear what is not very clear. So you can post it in Bahasa Indonesia.
Yes.
I will translate it for you. Right?
Also, you can use Tagalog itself. We can ask Sophie, and you can use Thai. I can ask.
Please do not be worried about English. You can post it in. Yeah.
How much?
Okay. Oh yeah.
5 million. Okay, another one, please.
We did a student from MSS makes by hand, give to everybody.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So they raised the money. Yeah. So they raised that, and thank you for your involvement.
Right?
Yeah. So if you want to join the walk, you can go to Thailand. Our staff joined in one of the walks there. Isa went there.
Thank you,
Support the walk.
everybody.
Thank you. Rio?
Yes. So short announcement for you all. You are already in the WhatsApp group, right? Who's not yet joining?
Siapa yang belum?